Imeya sekuruleni uThanya campaign ngesikhathi ixoxisana nomphakathi waseThembisa uthembisa ukuthi umasipala uzoqhubeka nokunika umphakathi ugesi ongama-kilowatts angama-50 amahhala njalo ngenyanga. Ithe usoxoxisana nezinye izinhlaka ukuze bakwazi ukunikela ngama-kilowatts ayi-100.
As the city of Ekurhuleni, we will continue to provide the 50 kilowatts free basic units as we are allowed to. The 100 kilowatts free basic unit is outside of our jurisdiction as a municipality. Therefore, we are engaging with province and the National Treasury.
Imeya ithi ibingeke ikwazi ukuyoxoxisana nomphakathi engenaso isisombululo ibifuna ukuya emphakathini inento ebambekayo.
I did not want to just come with empty solutions, and that's what I keep on saying. To do lip service is not going to give anybody a relief. I had to make sure that when I come here, I come with tangible solutions.
Umphakathi uthi awuxolisekile ngenkulumo yemeya wona ubufuna ukuxoxisana nemeya ibuze imibuzo.
The mayor had an opportunity to come with solutions. She did not solve us. She did not come with any solutions. First and foremost, what we witnessed here was a monologue. What we need is a dialogue. She must talk to us and with us.
She needed to get into the information of what she was offering here, and then she also went into the issue of free electricity and so forth. She needed to go into depth of how to remove the middleman and so forth, but she didn't cover that. Hence, we are saying that she came here to give a press statement, to give a media briefing, and not to speak to the people of Tembisa.
Indigent wabogogo why faneka waqima izindlu lezidala zibhatala abogogo bethu zibhatale nabo mama bethu nathi sibuye futhi sibhatale nabantwana bethu abezamizi fanele babhatale you guys wenele sithi wenele.
Eqaleni kwaleli sonto izakhamuzi zaseThembisa zavuka umbhejazana zathungela ngomlilo amahhovisi kamasipala kanye nezimoto zavala thaqa imigwaqo engena nephuma kuleli lokishi. Sibhekisela kwenyuka kwemali ezinsiza zikamasipala lembhikisho idliwe nabantu abaningi.